Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this pre-owned 2013 Ford F-150 FX4. The exterior color is a ruby red, and under the hood we have a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic select-shift transmission. Now at the front we have our aftermarket 4 light pods, as well as our HID headlamps with our daytime running lights and a pair of fog lamps. We also have our color match front bumper as well as our black grille insert. Over at the side we have our 18-inch wheels wrapped in Wrangler tires with our Ford OEM running boards as well as our red mirror caps and our color matched door handles. And at the back we have our privacy tinted windows as well as our sunroof on top. At the rear, we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7-pin connection, as well as our reverse sensors, and paired with our backup camera. And as we take a closer look, we have our privacy windows in the rear with an embedded defroster and the power sliding feature. We also have our tonneau cover and a spring-in box liner. At the interior, we have many driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as power windows and power locks, as well as power adjustable and foldable mirrors, which are also heated with the signal light indicator. And as we get into the interior, we have a nice black leather setup, which includes a fully adjustable seat for both driver and passenger. And as we look at our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial with our foot pedal adjustment, as well as our information trackpad with our cruise control and our hands-free and volume controls. As we look above, we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror with our cabin lights and our sliding sunroof with another cabin light in the rear. As we get to our center face, we have our display screen, which allows for phone connectivity, navigation, entertainment controls, and climate, which includes an air conditioned and heating seats for both driver and passenger. And as we look to the right, we have our 12-volt adapter with our cubby hold and our glove box. And to the left, we have our 4-wheel drive engagement with our integrated trailer braking system. And as well as we have our dual climate control area, which allows for air conditioning and heating throughout the cabin. And at our console shift, we have a 6-speed select shift option as well as 2 cup holders with the center console, which has our SD and 2 more USB ports. And in the rear, we have 2 more cup holders. At the rear, we have tons of passenger-friendly features, including door storage, power windows, more storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat, and as well, passengers can enjoy a full ventilation system as well as an AC outlet with a 12-volt adapter. Now, with our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, we have tons of legroom as well as headspace to fit 3 passengers comfortably. If there are any more questions about this beautiful piece, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would like to take the time here to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.